All right, guys, we got some heat inside today's box, and this is one of the ones I had to double back and grab before it's too late. I know I've been wearing this pair a lot. I had to get an extra pair of these things right here, and a lot of people, you know what I'm saying, are speaking highly of these Air Jordan 4. So let's go ahead and hop right into today's unboxing, man. Let's get it. Yo, what's going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tuning in, tapping in with your boy DeVintage. See what I'm talking about, man. If you guys are here, you rocking out with your boy, man, make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video. If you guys are new here to the channel, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well, so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. And I did want to just put out that tomorrow we will be getting a crazy drop, the Air Jordan 3 Chanel's or whatever, you know, the green joints with the grass Nike Air on the back, a super crazy sneaker. And I am hearing it's gonna be a little bit more pairs what people are talking about. You kind of see that resale price already dropping now, so I'll wait until tomorrow or probably a little bit after that and actually pull the trigger if you do end up taking the L on the Nike sneakers. At me myself, I do want to go out and get a pair. I want to see them in hand, see what they hitting for. At first I was like all crazy for them, but now I've seen a couple videos, seen a couple pictures and stuff like that, it kind of lessened, you know what I'm saying, my excitement for that sneaker. But of course, you guys know the DeVintage, we gotta grab them, we gotta unbox them, we gotta break them down with you guys. So let me know down below in the comment section if you will be going after and trying to secure a pair of those joints. What's the Air Jordan 3? And I feel like last year and this year, Jordan Brand is putting a lot more emphasis on the Jordan 3s and the Jordan 4s, so capitalize while we got them now. You never know when they're gonna scrap and when they're gonna put them in the vault for a while. So if you guys are gonna be getting them again, man, please comment that down below in the comment section. And if you guys did not already check out the early look we did over the Air Jordan 4 pairs, man, make sure you guys go check them out. I've been getting a lot of good feedback surrounding these Air Jordan 4s right here. Me, myself, man, I'm all over them. I have to get them. I had to get my size 9.5. So you guys should see an unboxing or review on feet very, very shortly over these, releasing later in the month of July, the Paris Air Jordan 4s. And then of course, you guys know, man, we got another one of them women's exclusive. This is an Air Jordan 1, and this is called the First in Flight or the Take Flight or something like that. Air Jordan 1s inspired by some WNBA player, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not too sure. I got them because they look like the Obsidians. I sold my Obsidians a little while back, but the overall quality, the colorway is nonetheless super dope in my opinion. And I feel like Jordan Brand been kind of giving us too many Jordan 1 colorways that they just throwing together and giving it to us. But when it comes to these right here, man, I'm actually liking them. It's like an Obsidian 2.0. And then of course, you guys already know what comes inside this box, white and black, the Air Jordan 4 White Thunders, you know, of course, inspired by the regular OG Thunder things, the classics. These will be releasing as well, along with the Paris Air Jordan 4s in July. I think they might push it back to August, not too sure, but let me know how you feeling about these. Of course, we already did a full review, early unboxing, so go check back on the channel and see the full details and the breakdown over these Air Jordan 4 White Thunder guys. All right, man, so with all that out the way, it's time to get into what your boy had to pull the trigger on. I cannot pass up on the price. I got this knife under my leg, which is not safe, but of course we got the heated knife. You guys already know when we pull that Rambo knife out, we got some heat in the box. And again, like I said, I didn't want to wait too long because I feel like I've been wearing this pair so many times. Every time I go somewhere, I feel like I'm just pulling this pair out, rocking them and stuff like that. And I say, you know what? I seen it on somebody's Instagram story. They was selling it for a really, really good price, around $240. I said, bro, let me go ahead and get them things up off you. And now we are here with another pair, you know what I'm saying? Another pair of these things right here. Take these things up really, really good. So let's go ahead and put this knife to the side and actually get inside the unboxing. And if you guys have not skipped yet, man, make sure you guys comment Rambo in the comment section. So I know you guys ain't skipped through. I know you guys be tapped into the videos, but it's always good to, you know what I'm saying, interject some things. Let me see who's still tapped in. Comment Rambo down below in the comment section. But let's go ahead and get into these things, bro. Once I show you guys the box, you're gonna know exactly what it is. Let's go ahead and get the bubble wrap up out of here. And check out what we got. Another pair. My excitement ain't all the way there because I do have a couple pairs already, but I've been wearing them so much. You guys see, man. You guys should know exactly what comes inside this box, bro. Y'all should know what comes inside. You see the cement all on the upper, red Jumpman and the flight underneath. And the official colorway, if you don't know already, is Air Jordan 4 Retro Black, Fire Red, and Cement Gray. And I got these things in a size 9.5. Your boy been rocking out with a size 9.5 like crazy. My other pair is a size 9. I do have a 9.5, if I'm not mistaken, but I had to get these things, and yes, sir, They here, man. Them boys is here, man. And every time I see them, I keep getting excited. And we have no other than the Air Jordan 4 Brand Reimagined, guys. Man, I had to do it, bro. I had to get another pair. And when I seen 240, I think it was like 230 or 240, I could not pass up on it. And I've been just checking the resale market, seeing how they are doing. They're going up, they're going down. It's pretty stagnant, if I'm being honest. But I do feel like when they get around that back to school time frame, or even, you know, looking a little bit longer down the line, around Christmas time frame, people are going to be buying these pairs up, which is going to, of course, rise the resale value in these Brand Reimagined. And I did a video yesterday talking about my top 10 pickups. And, you know what I'm saying, people are saying that this is their best shoe or their favorite shoe of the year. And I don't blame you. I don't blame y'all. But the only thing I don't see is how y'all... Oh my God, these things almost went everywhere. But what I don't understand is how people are putting these so high on the list over like the military blues, over the Travis Scotts. Just kind of, you know, surprising, but it is a good thing, man. I love when people actually say how they really feel about a sneaker. And just because it ain't hype, just because the resale ain't crazy, you guys can still like the shoe. That's why I'm super dope that I seen those comments yesterday when people were saying that this is their favorite sneaker of the year, their favorite pickup of the year. And I do not blame y'all, bruh. Super nice quality, super durable. And like I told you, I've been wearing my pair a lot, but now we have a DS pair back in the collection. Put these things on ice for a bit, and you never know what the resale might do with these Brand Reimagined, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and check over on StockX real quick just to see what the prices hit for right now. I think that the Brand Reimagined, the military blues are kind of going for the low as of right now. They did just release a couple months ago, but again, around that back to school time frame, around that Christmas time frame, the price is gonna go crazy. So over on StockX right now for my 9.5, they're going for $229. Put a screenshot up here if you guys cannot see it, but that just kind of indicates one or two things. One, it was a bunch of pairs, or it's just low because people were quote unquote tired of the Jordan 4, which I'm leaning more towards the first one, where there's a lot of pairs he's made. I think this is probably the most produced Jordan 4, or maybe it was the military blues, one of the two. We know it was a lot of pairs, these things, but of course, you know, with time, you know, it's gonna be less DS pairs, which of course is going to, you know what I'm saying, rise when it comes to the demand to what is actually out there, DS ratio. So as you guys can see, man, we have 3 pair of the Brand Reimagined. Like I said, bro, I've been wearing one pair. I had a pair on ice for a bit, but I'm like, hold on. I feel like I'm gonna wash through one of the pairs super quickly. And I said I cannot pass up on the $230, you know, ship. $230 ship for the Brand Reimagined, bro. I cannot pass up on it. So that's why you guys see me having these again, bro. I had to do it. I couldn't pass up on it because I feel like, you know, later down the line, you know, a couple of years or even, you know, a couple of months, we're gonna see that kind of rise. And I'm gonna kind of be happy that I did pull the trigger on these Brand 4 Reimagined. And while I got y'all all here, man, let me know in the comment section what all have you doubled up on this year. I know there's a lot of people doubling up on the military blues, a lot of people doubling up on the Reimagined Brands, and a couple other sneakers that has released this year that people commenting and telling me that they had to get 2-3 pairs of them. So if you guys have been doubling, tripling up, quadrupling up, man, let me know which sneaker that was in the comment section. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Do not wait till it's too late to grab these things. The price is currently super low right now, and it is the perfect opportunity to seize the moment. It's a perfect time to go and grab these things out into the collection, because this is probably gonna go down as sneaker of the year for a lot of people, including Complex, the general public, and of course your favorite influencers as well when it comes to sneakers. The Brand 4 Reimagined definitely speak for themselves. Make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video. Make sure you comment down below and subscribe right now if you have not subscribed already. And please, please, please make sure you hit the notification bell so you get all the post notifications when your boy DeVintage does drop a video, a YouTube short, a community post when you're doing polls talking about when we ask you guys you're gonna be copping and dropping and all that good stuff, man. I love y'all. Appreciate all the support. And all that's being said, your boy DeVintage. I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.